Hello, teman-teman Indonesia. Welcome back to Convocation Episode 3. Today, Sarah and I will practice English. You can use in a cafe or restaurant. Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, Dev. I love food. Let's go to the cafe. And hello, friends. Welcome to a new convocation and episode 3. So, let's start the convocation.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Coffee House. May I take your order?
Good afternoon. Yes, I would like a cup of coffee. Please, I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Friends, repeat after Sarah.
Please, I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sarah, what about something to eat?
I want a sandwich.
Good. But better English is, I would like a sandwich.
Okay, I would like a sandwich.
Friends, try it too. I would like a sandwich.
Dev, can I say, give me coffee?
That's a little rude. Better is, can I have a coffee, please? Always use please. Politeness makes English beautiful.
Got it. Can I have a coffee, please?
Here is your coffee and sandwich. That will be $5.
Okay, here you are. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day, Sarah. Okay, here you are. Thank you. Friends, repeat. Have a nice day. Fun fact, in English, the word café comes from French, and it means coffee. So when you say, let's go to a cafe, people understand you want to drink coffee and relax.
Wow, interesting. And now I can order food in English too.
So, teman-teman, today you learned, I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a sandwich? Have a nice day. Practice these sentences next time you imagine yourself in a cafe. Remember, small practice every day makes big success tomorrow.
Yes. See you in the next convocation episode. Bye. I think you enjoy this convocation, so comment below which part is most interesting. And what should you learn today? Bye.
Bye, everyone.